Hello guys, now we will see how to create that snake game. This is really very simple game, very simple concept. So if you can follow with me, you can understand the concept, and you can build a nice game. This is you should understand the concept, how it is building on. So I'm using Python turtle module. So first of all, I will create the screen. So from turtle import screen. So I should create a screen object. Screen object screen dot exit on click to stop the screen. So screen dot setup. I will give a size of the screen. So the width the 800, height should be 800. Width height. So right, keyword argument should be then screen dot title. You can put a title also here, like anything. I will write here like the turtle, not turtle game, like a snake game. Snake game. Then we can upload the image also if you want. Otherwise, you can give a screen color also. Screen dot bg color. So if you want to keep a color like red as an example, so you can see a red screen. Otherwise, the default screen you can see like white color, right? It is white color, the default screen. So if you want to import an image for background screen, so screen dot big pic, and you have to upload the photo, screen photo, if screen image to the your folder, right? So I have a screen this image. So this is a PNG image. So I will just drop it to the my document for my project folder. So yes, then I will write here as a string. I will give the name of the my image. It's background.png. See dot png or okay, is you can see we can see our screen now. One thing I should tell you here, I try to upload JPEG photos, but JPEG image is not valid. PNG is okay, GIF is okay. So I don't know about other formats. So like GIF is okay. That PNG is okay. Others I don't know really, but it's okay. You can just try with other kind of formats also. Okay, now we should the second step. You should create a snake. I will create on the file here, snake, the name of the file, right? I should create a class. So first of all, I should import turtle module here. So from turtle import turtle class I need to create build a class here. So this is name is snake, snake, snake. So constructor. Right now the next step is we should create a snake, snake, right? So my way is, if I show you, I have already design my snake. If it is squared, if you want to create like this way snake with squares, we need 3 squares, right? The beginning time. Otherwise you can create like 3 circle also. Anyway, you can change how later also, how do you want. So I just start like 3 squares middle of the screen. So this is the head of the snake. These 2 are for the tails, right? So you do like this way. I will create another function. It is called segments, because there are 3 segments basically. Def create segment, MENT segments. So I should create the object here. But if I note the three objects, so I think it's better to use a for loop here. So like this way, for to iterate in range, so range 3, what is that, snake? No, segment, seg, we will create new seg, new segment equal, this is the name of the object, turtle, right? So new segment should have a color. I will give here like black color, black, because our screen is like a yellow color, so screen background, so black color. Then new snake dot pen up, right? He shouldn't write anything, it should be the pen up. New snake dot shape, we should give shape. I can give 3 square or the circle, anything. CLE, okay, circles. So then we should give a position to go to the screen, right? Which position we should go. So new dot go to, we should give x value and y position, x position and y position. So I'm creating 3 objects now, right? 3 objects for 3 segments. So I think I will create here here that positions. So it's like sorry, positions, my position list, I create a list of position, so it is easy for me to iterate with the for loop. So first position is 0 0 because it's the middle of the screen, right? X is 0, y is 0. Then second one is minus 20, x is minus 20, y is 0. Then third one, I create like a constant because it's very easy, so it is very clear now. Third one is should be definitely 40.0, right? These are the positions, right? So I can directly iterate with the for loop this position to here. This is because this is a list, so I will just not range seg no position. I will give position for position. This can be positions, so the plural, right? So I can use this not range, positions from position. I will give the first position or second one. Positions are here, right? Okay, we have create the segments, but they are going to the position also. So we will create the object here. Then first of all we should upload the import the class snake dot from snake import snake. We should create the object here, snake equal snake. Now when we go to, we have to, when we call the self dot, when we create the object, so the snake has built already Z3, but there's something, there's a problem with the our segment positions. I don't know what is that. This is -20, this is +40. That's a problem. So I should do minus. Then it's okay, right? Okay. Now there are three items. Then we can forward this item. Then, but you can see it is, they are very slowly they are creating. We can use the tracer method of the screen class. Screen dot tracer is okay. Tracer on, it is on with 0. Then tracer off, screen dot tracer off with the update. Okay. Now we can see it is immediately test when we are opening the game. It is it has created, right? Now it is okay. Now we have to move the snake like this. We create the function def we snake, move snake. So but the thing is, how can we access that snake which we have created here? Because we have created 3x segments, but we can't access from here. The thing is, we need a container here. Means we can use a set list to keep all the segments here. Then we can access where we want, in the class or outside of the class. Also, it means from the main class, from the main, right? So I will create a list here. Self dot segments, segments is the name of the list. So I will append all the segments to the list. Self dot segments dot append new segments. Right now, all the segments are in this segment list, so I can access those segments from here. Definitely I need to for loop here for x in self dot segments x dot forward 20, right? Now we should call this function from the main class or anywhere where we want. So main class is the best place. Snake dot move snake, right? Like this way it is. Exit update, but it is not visible because the thing is it is already moved when we are opening, right? It's moving very fastly. The thing is we should create a while loop here, then we can see continuously it is moving, right? First of all we create a boolean variable, game on equal to while game on, right? Now we can see it is moving very well, the snake, right? Okay, now we should turn the snake with the keyboard commands, right? How we will do this now? I create a function here. It is the snake up or anything, move up, right? But the thing is, if self dot snake segment dot that was head, we should change the head direction of the head. But I think it is better to if we can create a head here, right? Head variable d equal self dot segments 0 1 is the head, right? The first item. Then I can use the head from here, head here, right? Head dot forward. Sorry, I should give the direction. So then this is the turtle documentation. So I should get the direction is set heading or set edge. But set heading, set set heading 90 is the up, to go to up is 90. This one is to the up. So when sorry, I have to call this function from that from the main class. Screen.listener should give the keyboard screen dot on key press function. We have to give two arguments. This is function and the key, which key we use. I will give up key up, and the function is snake. Should come up. Snake dot move up. We shouldn't give the parentheses definitely, because then if you give a parenthesis, it's completely is calling. It is not. This is calling to the function. It is not calling directly. In fact, we should pass only the name of the function. Then we can try, right? Yeah, it is moving, but only the head. It is moving only the head. You can see. Yes, the snake is very fast. It is walking very fastly. I just wanted to give a little rest. Import time. We'll time. We'll give a little bit of rest time here. time dot sleep a bit of sleep, then he will be slow. 1 second, it's okay. Yeah, it is slow, but thing is, you can see the only head is turning, the body is not turning. The thing is because this, when we have given the direction to the head, when the head is going up, the body part is not, the body parts are not turning up. They are going to the same direction. So in this case, we can do one thing. It means my plan is, so the last segment should come to the last second segment. Okay, this place, right? The last second segment, what was here before, should come to the first segment, right? Then the first segment, which was before, should get the direction, to get the turn, right? Then after that, it is always starting from the last segment. So like this way it is changing. So then if we change like this way the direction, definitely it is going well. Okay, then now we will create the logic in the snake class. This is the for loop, but we should start from the last segment. It means we should get the last segment first. So what I'm doing here, range method. So len dot, because len, I'm getting the len because it is easy. Even if it increase more segments, so automatically add the number of segments, right? So -1, otherwise it will get an error. Then iterate from end with starting from the last segment to the 0 segment, right? Then the step should be -1. Okay, now the segments, seg, just get seg. Now we can get all the segments from the end of the it means I can get all the segments from the end. It means if I show you what I'm getting, I should get the last number, the first, that from the end. Okay, like this way. Print seg, you can see it should be like, because there are 3 segments, the number of segments are like this way, like 0 0 1 2 0 1 2 is the normal, but the thing is I have changed away, because I want from the end of the segment. So it is starting with the end, then it will come the output like 2 1 2 1 0, right? 2 1 0. But the thing is, we have put here 0. In fact, we will not get the 0, we will get 0 1. I will just print this game, so you can see how the output here. Yeah? You can see all are starting from 2 0 2 1, right, without 0, because it is starting with 0. It's starting with 2 so it should end before 2, before 0, right? This is starting point, end point, and steps. However, now what we should do, we should get the if we just turn this one to this one, okay, we should get the x and y value of these segments, and we should add to that x and xy values to last one. Then it will come to this position, right? Then after that, after it come here, this segments x and y value we will upload to the last second one, which was before here. It will come here, right? Then after that, we will move our head. Then the head will move forward like this way. That is what we are doing now. So x go equal say self dot segments seg minus 1, because of not last one, this second one, however, last to second one, dot x go and we should get y co also, self dot segments seg minus 1 dot y go. Right. Now we should add this score, the y and x go to the next position, next place. It means self dot segments seg, because you can see this seg. You can see for the first segment, it's coming from the loop is the last one. So I will get x and y coordinate of the last to second one. Okay, it means I'm getting this value from it means this value is this one, right? I'm getting x and y coordinates of this one, and I will update to this y and x value to here. It means this one will come to the second place. That's what we are doing now. So dot go to x go and y go, right? This is the x and y value I have got it. So now I will forward the head, self dot head dot forward to 20 pieces. Now it is okay. When I'm turning to up, it is turning nicely, right? Okay. Now I will give the other directions, keyboard commands. So this is down, this is down, this is I think 270 is it for down. We should now we can send the snake up and down both directions. But the thing is, when the snake, the next thing we should do, when the snake going up, we shouldn't be able to get directly to down, right, like this way. So we should stop that flowing, turning to the to down. It means I should write here, right? So if self dot head dot heading not equal to down, it means 270. I think it's better if we can create constant values for this. It means if we can create a constancy, because otherwise we have to always write these numbers, right? So okay, we will do like that thing, up like this way. We can create a constant here, up, so whatever, up equal 90, down equal 270, 70, left should be 180, right? Left should be 180. So 180. Then right should be 0. Right. Then we can use this constant same always. Right. This is down. This is up. Up. If you create the same logic here, sorry, indentation. If self dot head dot heading not equal to up heading, self dot heading, you can set heading to down. Okay, now we can try again running, right? Something going wrong. What is that? Invalid command name. What is that? Heading is wrong. Head, H-E-A. Heading, right? It's okay, I think. All right. Now it is going up. Now I can't turn to down. Okay, when it is going up. So something I'm getting wrong. Object have no attribute. Heading. It is heading. H-E-A. Now it is okay. When I'm turning up, it is turning up, but I can't turn directly to down. So it is okay. Now I will create that other two functions, left and right. This is left. Right. This is to left. This is to right. This is, if it is not in left, right. Okay. Left without parentheses, always right. left. Okay, I think now they are working well. Right, up, left, down. Okay, right, it's turning toward the direction. Okay, now what we will do, keyboard directions are going well. I think it's okay. Now we should create a class for food class, food, right. From turtle, import turtle class food, class food, inherit from the turtle class. So because this is a very simple thing, we have to create only the food, then that's why we have inheriting that's the parent class. Def super. Okay, now we should create food self dot food color. We can give a color, any color, sorry, color. I will give here red color, red. Self pen up, self shape size, definitely we should give, because otherwise the food can be very big size. This is shape, shape also we have to give here. Shape is circle shape. Then self dot shape size, shape size you have to give like I think stretch width, give 0.5, and stretch length I will give the same 0.5, right. Okay, the food is okay, but I think we should, okay, I will call that food class from here, from food, import food class object, food equal food object, right. But I have to give a push to the x and y direction to go, right. Self dot go to where, I should give a random place always. So import random, first of all, random. So x value, x value should be random dot rand int, rand int from minus, yes, minus 380. I will explain you why is that, why that's 380 to plus 380, plus 380. Then y should be the same, okay. I'm giving you that I have given here minus x coordinates can be maximum minus 380. Minus 380 is like this side right here, that minus plus 380 is up to here, plus 380, minus 380. So from here to here, this corner to can go this foot, right. Then y-axis I have given the same size from 380 to 380 minus from here right, this edge up to here, because not the most corner, because if it is most corner here, if it comes most corner here, the snake can't reach to the corner. So that's why I have finished that limit of the up to minus 380. This is plus 380, right? In this area, that food can go anyway randomly, right? Okay, now when the snake be near the food, this food should be disappear, it should go to another random place, and the snake tail should be long. So we should do that, they should build that logic here. Yeah. If the snake head, if snake dot snake head, snake, that's wrong, is dot head dot distance to food. So food, how much it is, we can say it 20 for the moment, because we can easily see it how disappear the food, right? We can print here to test, print with something. When the snake come to the food, we can be able to see something on our console, right? See, when it's contacting with the food, we can see the logic is okay, logic is correct. Now we should do one thing here is the food should change randomly to another place, right? Snake food, it means we have to create another function here. It is food, what is that name we can keep like snake food, right? So I will keep this here, and clear method also, self dot clear to disappear all the food. So self dot snake food. Okay, now I can call this function from this place. Food dot snake food. Now when the snake comes to food is disappears, see, it will go to another place, right? Okay, now a snake segment should be long. His body should be long with one segment when he eat the food. Snake class, so we can create a new segment, def new segment with the name of the function. Is in the name of new segment? No. Okay. Then what should I do? I should attach a new segment. How can I do? I should get the last segments x and y value. How? Right. So I want to create a variable here. This position, for say position equal self dot segment list, what is segments dot position. When I do a position, I think position is okay. will get that my x and y value of the last segment, right? Position, right? Basically, segment of position. I think it is correct. Position. Position is this one. Position will return the turtle's current location, x and y, right? That's the correct one. Position, right? Set the position. So I will create I will create segment, self dot create segment. I should send here, but the thing is, it is much complicated if I send it to now, because I have to create something. But I think it is very easy if we can divide this function process to another into two. Means I will click like this way. I will create another function here, def snake, what's that, new snake. Oh, right, this for loop I will bring here, right, this place, and after that I will call this class to this class. Sorry, I will call to this function and from here, from this function. Okay, so self dot create segments. I will call from, because this is iterating here. It will decide how many times it should call, but then it will when it call to this function, it will create segments. How many segments it decide this for loop, right? How many segments it wants. So in this case, he wants 3 segments. So when it call 3 times, it will create 3 segments. Then they will add to this this list. Here we should change this position. It comes position, so I can send this position to this function, right? Position. Let's see. Right, now it is okay. Then I can easily call to create a segment function. Then you can see this function using this position, right? Names are the same, all are the same. Then when I something wrong, what is that? Snake create missing, I think here. It is here. Yeah, it is here. So now I should change this function name. It should be new snake. Okay, new snake. All right. Now we will see. We should feed the snake, right? Oh, but this is not. No, it's not going well. It's not adding extra segments. What's wrong? I think here what's something wrong. Open push SI open. Push the hell off. Here position, yes. Segments post TIO. the problem is the same name here. That's a problem. Pause. That's a problem. So right now it should be okay, I think. Pause. Try. It's also not happening. What's wrong? I will just print this post variable. Print pause to see what's going on, right? It's in the edge. The problem is okay. Oh, it's not giving me the position, right? Something not calling. New segments. I'm not calling to this function from main class. That's a problem. Snake dot what's the name of this function? New segment. I think add segment is the better name. Add segment, not new segment. Add segment. Yes. Add segment. We'll see how it is. Should feed the snake, but has no attribute position. List has no. Yeah, it is. Oh, I should get the last segments in. I should slice this list. It should be last segment is -1. Okay. Now we'll try. I think now it is okay. Okay. This snake body was long after we feed the snake, right? Okay, now it is running well. Now it is correct. It is running well. Then the same time we should add this score also. Scoreboard we will add later. Now the next part we should create when the snake reach to the edge of the screen. Snake should be reset, right? Snake should be reset. That's what we should do now. So okay, so how can we build the logic here? If snake dot head dot xscore, right? xscore less than xscore less than minus 400 or snake dot head dot xscore greater than 400, right? Or snake head dot y core less than minus 400. We gave minus 400, or snake dot head dot y core greater than 400, right? It's okay. Then for all the sides we have covered now. Greater than 400, what we should do, snake should reset. So pass, so we'll do a print exit. Now we can see if whether it works with this condition or not. Yes, you can see the exit here. So because he exit from the border, right? The logic is correct. Now we should create a reset function. Reset function in the snake class. At the segment here, we create a reset snake def reset snake. Okay, let's reset snake. So snake, how can we reset? It means after he crossed the board, we can do one thing. We can bring him to much far away from this screen, right? So if we do this, we should iterate that this iterate. We should get all the segment from the list, right? This list. Okay, now we will do that thing. We will bring him to far away from the screen for seg in this list, right? Seg dot go to somewhere where 1000 x 1000 y, anywhere. Then after that we can clean the list, right, with the clear method. Anyway, you can do whatever you want to. You can delete the list or whatever. You can do del what is that, self dot segments. You can do so this way, or otherwise you can do clear or self dot segments dot clear method. It will also clear everything, and both are the same. However, be clear, but yeah, at the end the list become like this way. It's clear, right? There are no more objects. So now what we should do, we should call to create new snake to this function, right? Now we will call from here self dot create new create new segment. What is it? Name? New snake. New snake, right? But the problem is when we called from here, we can't see the list, right? This list. It is so we are not going to the constructor now, right? We are not going to this place. So now we should create a list also here, otherwise there will be a problem. But if you want to see, you can just run right. It is not creating because the problem is the list. We should add the list. Self dot segments equal, right, like this way. Now when they exit the border, no, we have to call the function, right? We have to call the function. So reset screen snake dot reset the snake. It should exit now. Exit. All right, it's exit. the same. You can see two part here. The problem is there is no the head. We have not decided head now, because we are using many times head, snake head. So we have to give here head also after the function. Self dot head equal self dot segments 0. Now it can be okay. Yes, but the thing is, we can see a little bit of here again. So what is the problem? Problem is indentation, because we have to, after we send the snake far away, so we have to give the indentation here like this way. Now it is, I think, okay. Yeah, it is going well, right? Now we can do other thing. That now we have to do scoreboard. New class, scoreboard. So we should import this mode from turtle import turtle, right? Class score class. I will it can inherit from the turtle class, because this is a very simple job. We don't need to create a lot of many different kind of objects, so we can use the same def init super okay. Now self dot score equals 0, right? We need high score also. Self dot high score, will create that also. High score. Then we should create that scores shapes. It means score color. Self dot color. We can keep like white color. Black color, any color. Self dot pin up, definitely pin up. Self dot height turtle, height turtle. Self dot go, where should it go? It is also very important, but I think we should get in another function this part, because of we can reuse again and again. The scoreboard. So go position where we should go this board. I'll just put y x, because if I show you this okay, the score should come here, right? This place. So and this place high score. So in this place x minus 150 and y that be 350, right? X should be minus 150 and y 350, right? Then this is the position place of the score. So self dot clear method, because it should add, otherwise it will override the score. I will show you later. Self dot write score. Let's see score. I think f string is easy, so like this way I should display score. Right? Self dot score. I can give a few argument here. So what are the align center, CTR, and the font give me Arial. Font size I will give like 40, and font weight no null. Okay, this is the score. So score, I should self dot score plus equal increment. I should increase the score from here, right? So I will call this scoreboard from, first of all I should upload, import the class from scoreboard, import score, create the object, score equal score object. So now I will call when the snake touch the foot, score should increase, right? Score dot scoreboard, right? Score dot scoreboard. Now we can see we have to wait until touch the foot, otherwise we can't see the score. It's not nice, right? So we can scoreboard, we can do it from here. Self dot scoreboard, right? We can call from here. Then when we start the game, you can see the score, but the score become 1 because even it didn't touch the foot, but the score has become 1. No, because the problem is when it called to this function, it is increment is here. Increment we should keep in the function, then it will be okay. Def how to say, screen increment increment here, right? So increment here, then after that I will call this function after increase the score. So self dot scoreboard, scoreboard. Then here I should call self dot scoreboard. No, sorry, self dot increment, score increment, score dot increase score. What the name of the function? Screen. No, not screen. Score. COI score. SCOI. Score increment, right? I will call score increment from there, then it will be okay, right? Now it is 0. So when this snake will touch the foot, right, score was increased, but the thing was, you can see it was override 0 and 1, it is mixed. So I have to use that clear method to erase that old 0, then right now it is clear the screen, Then after that, update the screen, right? That's what happened. Now we can't see the 0. Now we can't see 1. It become 2. It is clear now. Now we can do other thing is high score. High score is also very important. So we create high score here also. Here we can use the same thing. Okay, same place. High score. Okay, high score should display in which positions. Position should be y is okay, x should be okay. Now I think this is okay. High score should be here, high score, and here it should be high score, right? So high score, but the thing is, how can we increase the high score? High score like this way. When the score, now they both are 0. When the score is higher than high score, that score will become high score. Always like this way. So the logic is this. So def high score, gh high. So no, sorry, not capital. High score in anything, the name. So then if self dot score is greater than self dot high score, self dot high score equal self dot score. That's the thing. So then what's wrong here? Self dot high score, sorry, equal, okay. Like this way we can increase the high score. After that we should call that function scoreboard, self dot board, and we should do another thing is that score should be 0. Self dot score equal 0. Okay, we'll run and see. We should call high score increment function first of all. It should be here when they terminate the turtle. Score dot high increment, right? Now 0, the high score is 0, right? Now score is 1, high score is 0. Now we will feed again 1, then high score became 2, score became 0, right? Like this way became high score, right? Now we have to do another thing. What is that? When the snake when the snake head touched his body, the game should terminate. That's what we should do. Means from here we should get first of all the segments of the snake using for loop for seg snake dot snake body, what is it, snake dot segments, right? Segments. But I don't need the head because I have separated head, so I just cut the head. I'm getting without head here, right? From seg in, right? So I have sliced the segment list without the head. I am getting only the body here. These are body parts. So I just create here like if snake head dot distance to seg, right? His head come near the head, near the body, less than, I will say like 10, because one pieces of one segment 20 by 20, it means 10 is okay. I think we can keep like 15, then we can see it easily. We'll try. I put 15. If it happen, what should do these things. Snake should terminate. Score should be highest score if the score is higher than the highest score. Right. Now score is 0. Right. Both are 0. Right. Now the snake has become very long now. You should feed again 2-3 more times, then it will be okay. Then we can touch the snake head with the body. Okay, now we'll try to touch the body with the snake head. It didn't touch still. I will feed a bit again. Now it is okay. Yes. Oh, it was reset, right? The high score became high score because it was 13. Right, now it is working nicely. Now what we should do, we just see when we cut the snake, cut the game, when you finish the game, then the score is not remaining the same. The high score will not stay the same number. It became the 0. Let's say so when I start the game again, all are become 0. So I don't like that. I wanted to keep that high score always, right, in the memory. So what we should do now, we will do like score we will keep this we will keep in a txt file on the side, right? So when the high score became this is a good place. So open with open I will create a file here. What is that? High score high score dot txt. I have not created already that file, that txt file. So but it's okay to prompt is mode is writing. So then as if anything, it's a variable. So I will write this f dot write what I'm writing, this this score, right? This high score. I'm writing this high score this high score to here, right? It should be string, sorry, f string, right? So now what is happening, this high score, I can keep here, it's okay. When it's writing a new high score will automatically create on the txt file here, and inside the snake game folder, project folder, as a with this high score, right? With this high score, we will just try. Now high score is 0, right? Now score is 1. We'll see now high score is 1. So there should be a new txt file here, right? You see that new txt file with 1, right? This one is a string value because of we gave here a string, here a string value. So now we should now here is a high score here, right? Always our high score variable is here. Now we should get that high score which is here to this. It should equal to this high score. How we'll do this? With open again, we should give the name of the file. What is that? High score text, right? When it is read mode, we don't need to give prompt really. So as f dot read. So this one, I think we can do like this way, right? Now it is okay. But the thing is, we have to convert int to int, right? Otherwise it will get error, because this high score value is a string value. So now, we can already see that high score is there, right? So we'll just try again playing. We'll increase our high score. Oh, whoa, right, now score is 2, high score is 1. Now, right, now we can terminate the game. So then we will see high score should be 3, right? When we start again the game, yeah, it is going well. Then we check the txt file here. The high score is always here, right? Okay. Another thing is the last thing. When you want, if you want, you can change the shape of the snake, right? You can just change this shape from here, circle to square, square like this way, or if you want, sorry, whatever. Oh yes, so if you want, you can change the head size, or you can add the image also for the snake, right? If you want, you can create a separate head, and you can show with another color, or another image with the head of the snake. It's a graphical side. So just as an example, def snake head, snake head. I create a snake head here. So then snake head also will get the same thing, right? Same method. So the position, I think, because this position is the snake head position, so I don't need any more head position. So I will give here the snake head position to 0 0 0, right? Then after that, I should get that snake head to the list. But the important thing is the head is the first part. Then I should call this function first of all, to call this function, right? Before I call this function, I should call the head function. It means like this here, self dot snake head, right? And how can you recognize the head? So head, you can put another color, like, I don't know, there are colors. So it's a funky, it's a snake. So I will change the color of this head, right? I can do whatever you want, or if you want, so like example like this way, right? It's a very strange snake, the same green color, so I should just want to change the color, any color. You can see the head of the snake like this way. The thing is, you can change the size of the head of like this way. New segment dot shape size. You can just straight lane. I can give like 1 point, a little bit of big, 1.2, and straight width 1.2 is the same size. Then you can see, I think this color is not nice. We keep the black color. Any color, red color is nice, I think. Red, I don't know. Yes, like this way. It's like a strange animal, but yeah, you can do whatever you want. You can like this way, the snake, right? You can add an image for a snake head, and you can add a image for a snake body also. It's not a big thing, right? If you add, I think it can be nice. This is like circle, right now. It's not so, color is not so nice. This is also circle. See, you can add an image. I'm not really not I don't want to do some more editing with image, because it will make more long this video. So however, do whatever you want. I just gave you the basic of the snake game. I think you can understand. So thank you so much for watching the video. So see you with another video again.